It's been great for me. I don't know how it's been for you, but I mean, for me as a novelist, you know, as a novelist, you're on your own, really. You've got to control your characters, the plots, the themes. Every single word on every single page is your responsibility, and that is great if you're a bit of a control freak, which most novelists are. But it is also a big responsibility, and it's a bit of a burden, and it can be terribly lonely at times. So working with somebody else, and working with somebody like Chris, who is, you know, very inspiring on this Frozen Screen project, has been fab. And I think our minds work in quite similar ways, don't you? I mean, we sort of grew up watching the same terrible TV, apart from anything.
Yeah, so we
have lots of the same references.
Same reference points, and I think it's probably no surprise that you're much more meticulous than I am. I think, and so Sarah asks lots of questions about, well, what's the logic of this, and I go, well, and then I sort of will talk through, and then eventually I get to a point where I go, I don't think it matters, I think it'll be fine. And I think because I've kind of done quite a lot of shows a little bit like this, I go, I think it'll work. So you know, you have a sort of, you know, there's brain work, and then there's a bit where you go, my instinct is it'll work. But no, we have fit together quite well.
Yeah, I think so. And also I trust your theatrical instinct very much, and I don't have that theatrical instinct. You know, I've never written for the stage before, much as I love the theatre as an audience member. But my instincts as a novelist have always been to like signal things. You know, I've wanted all the audience looking here at this point, whereas yours has been quite rightly for the stage much looser.